Hello, today I want to tell you about how to use drinking water vending machine. First, prepare the bottle. Should be a clear bottle because you can see a condition of water. 2. Shouldn't be used more than 5 times because the bottle often have a sparkle or curve which make difficult to clean. Importantly, remember to clean the bottle before use. Jesus, empty water. I'm so thirsty. Please get some water.
Okay, no problem. Just a moment. Now it's time to use vending machine. Let's do it. Step 1. Insert coin. Step 2. Put the prepared water bottle into vending machine. Step 3. Push this button. Water will start to come out. And step 4. If you see water is full, press the button to stop water. Here you are.
Finish. It's so easy. I hope to enjoy this video. Thank you. 2, 3
Step 3. Put this button. Water will start to come out. And step 4. If you see water.
Thank you.
มาเลย
ฮะ